Spinal twist and bridge variation. For these two poses, you're going to want to start with your hammock about 1 foot from the ground. This is what we refer to as your low swing hammock. You're going to face the hammock and lay down so that your feet are inside the fabric. The fabric should be resting along the backs of your ankles. To move into our spinal twist, extend your arms into a T, bend your knees and let them fall over to your right side. You can look over your left shoulder to deepen the stretch across the back of your spine. I find that this spinal twist is a little bit more intense than doing this on the ground, so if you're at all uncomfortable, try taking your feet out of the fabric and just have them rest on the ground. Now we're going to want to do the same thing on your other side, so bend your knees and bring them over to your left side, and this time you can look over your right shoulder to deepen the stretch. For our next pose, we'll be doing a bridge variation that will really help challenge your balance, strengthen your quads and your glutes. When you're ready, you can extend your legs, bring your body back to center, bend your knees, and place the palms of your feet onto the fabric, and lift up with your hips and glutes. Your thighs and upper torso should be forming a straight line, and engage your quads and your glutes to hold yourself steady. Hold this for as long as you can to really strengthen the glutes. And if you want to do a sequence of bringing your body up and down, you will really be able to gather some strength in those areas.